Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to replace the oil pressure sensor for the variable timing on a second generation Honda Pilot. This is a 2011 model equipped with the 3.5 liter V6, and a similar procedure may apply to other Honda models as well in the same generation with the same engine, such as the Honda Odyssey and Ridgeline. A faulty sensor will trigger a check engine light with the P3400 code. Disable Eco Mode. You may notice a reduction in power, and it'll cause the engine to shudder under acceleration. Here I'm using my Innova SD35 OBD2 scanner to check the codes on this Pilot. This is a very compact yet capable scanner with plenty of features to help assist in the repairs on any OBD2 equipped vehicle. A link to this will be included in the video description. The sensor can be replaced with minimal tools. It's best to do this when the engine is cold. First, start by removing the engine cover. There's two clips at the front, using a standard screwdriver to rotate them counterclockwise. Then lift off the cover and place it off to the side. Next is locating the sensor. It's on the right top side of the engine, just above the valve cover. I'm just using a couple screwdrivers to help show you what I'm doing. Depress the tang on the one side of the connector, then pull the connector straight up off the connection. Using a 24mm deep socket with a ratchet, remove a sensor. I'll zoom out in a moment so you can see for a better reference of the location for the sensor. Finally, remove the sensor. You can see there is an O-ring around the perimeter of the hole. Make sure this is in good condition. If your new sensor does come with a replacement O-ring, then I would recommend replacing it. Mine didn't come with a replacement. Next is cleaning the O-ring to remove any debris which may cause sealing issues. Here's a comparison between the old and new sensors. Ensure they are the same. Install the new sensor, thread it in by hand first, then tighten to 18 foot-pounds. Remove the rubber cap on the electrical connector. Plug in the electrical connector. Install the engine cover, clip it in the back side first, and then align those front clips. Turn them a quarter turn clockwise until they stop to lock them in. Then we can go back to our scan tool and erase the codes. The code may go out itself, or we can use the OBD2 scanner to remove the check engine light immediately. Then you're officially done. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.